Hello everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I'm going to show you how to make a healthy version of keto s'mores, and then we'll go through the variety that you can have, okay? So what I did is I took 2 tablespoons of melted butter and put them in this bowl, and now I got 1/4 cup of the Baker's Basic. You can use Baker's Basic, you can use cinnamon, you can use chocolate, you can use whatever you want, but this is the one that I use. I'm gonna stick it in here. I am going to mix it, and it's gonna make a graham cracker crust, okay? So this is my graham cracker crust for the s'mores. Now these s'mores you gotta eat with a spoon or a fork. You're not gonna be able to eat them the way you eat regular s'mores, but I will tell you that they do taste like real s'mores. And then all I did, these are marshmallows that we carry, guys, okay? These marshmallows, the lady that founded these has MS, and they're super healthy. They're made with collagen and MCT oil. We have all different flavors of these. So what I did, I'm gonna take one of these out so you can see it. I took 2 of these big marshmallows and cut them up real small like this. So I'm just gonna dump those in. And then these are the Lily's chocolate chips. I did the salted caramel ones because this is burnt caramel orange and these are salted caramel chocolate chips. And that's all it takes, guys, no bake. And you got s'mores. And this tastes exactly like s'mores, and it's way healthier than s'mores. And you will lose weight all day long eating s'mores, okay? Keto s'mores from HealthyTreatsMarket.com. So we are in the Davison Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. If you don't live nearby, visit us at HealthyTreatsMarket.com. You can place an order there. And you can also follow us on Facebook, Healthy Treats Market. And on YouTube, we have a YouTube channel. If you just type Healthy Treats Market and subscribe to YouTube, you'll see all our videos like these on there. If you are a caramel person, you're gonna wanna do the burnt caramel with the Baker's Basic, and you're gonna wanna add the salted caramel Lily's chocolate chips, that's these ones. If you like cinnamon, you can use the cinnamon mix with the cinnamon marshmallows, and you can do the plain chocolate chips. I don't think I got those right here. These chocolate chips. So these go together really good, okay? And if you are a plain person, you can do the Baker's Basic with the vanilla marshmallows and the plain chocolate chips. So you can do whatever variety that you like. I personally am feeling like caramel right now, so I'm going with this. Okay guys, thanks for watching. God bless you.